Bisaya lessons for weather, days of the week, months, and time. Hi ni mo diha! Welcome to Bisaya lesson Mapuhay! Today, we will learn Bisaya lessons about weather, days of the week, months, and time. Let's get started! Common weather terms. Init, init, hot. Tugnaw, tugnaw, cold. Ulan, ulan, rain. Hangin, hangin, wind. Bagyo, bagyo, storm. Baha, baha, flood. Weather phrases. Nag-ulan, nag-ulan, it's raining. Nagtaligsik, nagtaligsik, it's drizzling. Kusog ang ulan, kusog ang ulan, it's raining hard. Nagbaha, nagbaha, it's flooding. Days of the week. Lunes, lunes, Monday. Martes, martes, Tuesday. Miércoles, miércoles, Wednesday. Jueves, jueves, Thursday. Viernes, viernes, Friday. Sabado, Sabado, Saturday. Domingo, Domingo, Sunday. Adlaw, Adlaw, day. Karon, karon, today, now. Ugma, ugma, tomorrow. Gahapon, gahapon, yesterday. Unya, unya, later. Kadyot, kadyot, timesa, timesa. Wait. Kadali lang, kadali lang, hold on. Days of the week phrases. Karon kay Lunes. Karon kay Lunes. Today is Monday. Ugma kay Martes. Ugma kay Martes. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Musimba ko sa Sabado. Musimba ko sa Sabado. I go to church on Saturday. Months of the year. Enero, Enero. January. Pebrero, Pebrero. February. Marzo, Marzo, March. Abril, Abril, April. Mayo, Mayo, May. Junio, Junio, June. Julio, Julio, July. Agosto, Agosto, August. Septiembre, Septiembre, September. Octubre, Octubre, October. Nobyembre, Nobyembre, November. Diciembre, diciembre, December. Months of the year phrases. Ang akong adlaw na tawahan kaysa Disyembre. Ang akong adlaw na tawhan kaysa Disyembre. My birthday is in December. Gikasal ko atong Agosto. Gikasal ko atong Agosto. I got married in August. Basic time vocabulary. Oras, oras, time. Alas, alas, o'clock. Minuto, minuto, minute. Segundo, segundo, second. Adlaw, adlaw, day. Simana, simana, week. Bulan, bulan, month. Tuig, tuig, year. Telling time. Alauna, alauna, 1 o'clock. Alas dos, alas dos, 2 o'clock. Alas tres, alas tres, 3 o'clock. Alas cuatro, alas cuatro, 4 o'clock. Alas cinco, alas cinco, 5 o'clock. Alas seis, alas seis, 6 o'clock. Alas siete, alas siete, 7 o'clock. Alas otso, alas otso, 8 o'clock. Alas nueve, alas nueve, 9 o'clock. Alas 10, alas 10, 10 o'clock. Alas 11, alas 11, 11 o'clock. Alas 12, alas 12, 12 o'clock. Tunga-tunga sa gabi. Tunga-tunga sa gabi. Midnight. Kaadlawon, kaadlawon, early morning. Buntag, buntag, morning. Udto, udto, noon. Hapon, hapon, afternoon. Gabi, gabi, evening. Example sentences. Mumatata sayo sa buntag. Mo, mata, ta, sayo, sa, buntag. Let's wake up early in the morning. Alas 8 sa buntag ko mulakaw. Alas 8 sa buntag ko mo lakaw. I will go at 8 o'clock in the morning. Hi ate og kuya. Kung daghan kag nakatunan karon, maayo. Pwede kaayo nimo i-share ang video sa imong silingan nga foreigner. Kung nalingaw ka sa video, komento lang sa video. Daghang salamat! Kaya mo yan!